Hey everybody, another edition of James Jam here. I'm Jane, this is my jam, and just going to do this quick. I'm filming it myself with my camera, so I apologize if I'm shaky, and just wanted to do this um, just to go over the experience. I'm super excited about this, and just want to let everybody know how things go if you order online. So I ordered something online here, and the package just came. I have not opened it yet. I am so excited. All I did is take off the little strip, the little strip here that helps you open the box. I have not opened the box yet, and I just put cardboard on top of it to cover up my name and address and everything. So I'm about to open this, and we'll see it both for the same time if I can hold the camera straight. So it opens up like this to reveal. So you see the box is all green. Now if we look here, it's Gucci, but would you look at the ribbon? Oh, I'm just so excited. So this is from the Hacker project. I bought one object from Balenciaga and one from Gucci. So this is the Gucci one. This box is so nice. Can you see there's pattern in it? The box, it's just gorgeous. So there's the box, and it came padded nicely. Right here, it's got my little envelope here with, I'm sure, my goodies like my fun receipt and stuff in there. I did get a Gucci bag. Just looks like that. Yes, man, it looks like a bottle of wine holder or something. But, okay, so there's that. And now to open this. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to try to pull this open here with one hand to make sure I'm filming it. My heart's beating. Just so excited. So I'm just going to pull that off. I just love the details on this, that they actually did include, Balenciaga and Gucci on the ribbon for this. Slide that out of the way. As you can tell, it's something smaller. I just wasn't sure I liked anything bigger quite enough to pull the trigger on it. So, but I bought something from Balenciaga. It hasn't come yet. And then I saw this from Gucci and thought, I got to do this too. So here's the box. So it comes like this. There's a little, there's nothing like on the sticker, like it doesn't say Gucci or anything, but beautiful paper. Okay, so then there is another, oh my gosh, is this ever cool. So as you can see, this dust bag that it comes in has Gucci and Balenciaga on it. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. And I got, oh, this is even bigger than I thought it would be, this little wallet. So it's got like the string on here like Balenciaga stuff does. And up close it does say, can you see that on there? Balenciaga on there. And then it's got the canvas that has the Balenciaga on it as well. I'm just turning it over here. And then it's got this side. It's got the beautiful flower pattern like from Gucci. And then I'm just going to see a little zip part there. There is a little coin purse in here. It says Balenciaga on the button. Leather interior. Just got a little one of these packets here. And let's see if I can get this part open. Yep. So then it's got this part here. Also says Balenciaga. So it is a full open wallet. There are no spots for card holders, but I suppose you could put them in there. But then it's got the, I'm not good at this with one hand. just got the full inside wallet here with a spot to put, there's actually 2 spots here, so I suppose you could put some cards in. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, I'm sorry. There's a card slot here, a card slot here, and it looks like probably a 3rd card slot there. But then there's also a spot for wallets. So, I mean, for wallets, for dollars. So yeah, that's it. Just wanted to share that with everybody here. My quick update in case you were thinking about getting anything from the hacker. What is the word I want? Combination. Words are hard right now. But yeah, oh my gosh, I just love this. This is just even neater than I thought. And yeah, just a quick little review. And just want to thank you all for watching. Please remember to do unto others as you would have them do unto you. And until next time, see you then.